Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best bass guitar stand is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any bassist, providing a secure and accessible place to rest your instrument when not in use, preventing accidental damage and keeping your playing space organized. A good stand not only safeguards your valuable instrument from potential falls or scratches but also adds a touch of professionalism to your practice area or stage setup, making it a crucial investment for every musician who cherishes their bass guitar. Number 5. Amazon Basics A-Shaped Guitar Stand. Introducing the Amazon Basics A-Shaped Guitar Stand, designed to securely hold both acoustic and electric guitars. Its versatile design makes it the perfect choice for any guitarist. Easily adjust the width to perfectly fit most guitar shapes and sizes. This ensures a snug and secure fit for your instrument every time. Crafted from lightweight yet durable metal, this stand is built to last. It comes fully assembled, so you can use it right out of the box. Soft foam padding on the arms and backrest gently cradles your guitar, preventing scratches and damage. Keep your instrument safe and sound. When not in use, it folds flat for incredibly convenient transport and storage. Non-slip rubber feet keep it stable on any surface. What we like. This stand offers a classic A-frame design with adjustable width settings, making it versatile for various guitar shapes. It's also fully assembled and folds flat for easy transport. If you need a no-fuss, portable stand that works with most guitars, this is a great choice. What people say. The stand is sturdy and holds my bass guitar securely. It's easy to assemble and adjust to different guitar sizes. The design is compact and doesn't take up much space. Number 4. Amazon Basics Foldable Guitar Stand. Keep your guitar safe and sound with this sturdy stand. Its padded support ensures no scratches or slips, providing peace of mind. This stand is designed to hold a variety of instruments, including acoustic guitars, electric guitars, and bass guitars. It's the perfect display and storage solution. Crafted from a durable iron frame and featuring soft rubber padding, this stand is built for longevity. It offers reliable support for your valuable instrument. The sturdy tripod base, combined with anti-slip rubber feet and a self-centering yoke, guarantees stability. It's designed to prevent tipping and keep your instrument securely in place. Easily adjust the height with the secure friction knob to find the perfect position. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage and transport. What we like. Featuring a sturdy tripod base and height adjustability, this stand provides excellent stability for a range of instruments. Its secure locking mechanism prevents unwanted rotation. If you're looking for a reliable stand that can be precisely adjusted and offers enhanced security for your instrument, this one is ideal. What people say. The stand is sturdy and holds my bass guitar securely. It's easy to assemble and adjust for different guitar sizes. The design is compact and doesn't take up much space. Number 3. Hola. Music Guitar Stand. Introducing the Hola Music Guitar Stand, designed for musicians like you. It's a versatile and reliable accessory for your instruments. This stand isn't just for guitars. You can confidently use it to hold your bass, ukulele, or banjo. It truly is a multi-instrument solution. Finding the right height is easy. It adjusts to fit most stringed instruments, ensuring a perfect fit every time. No more struggling with the wrong size. Keep your instrument safe and sound. It features added padding to protect your instrument from scratches and damage before you even play a note. Take your music anywhere. This stand collapses easily, making it convenient to pack in any bag for gigs or performances. It's ready when you are. Searching for a gift for the musician in your life? This stand makes an excellent present for beginners and seasoned performers alike. It's a thoughtful and practical choice. What we like. This stand is designed for multi-instrument use, accommodating not just guitars but also ukuleles, banjos, and basses. It collapses easily for transport and features ample padding to protect your instrument. If you own multiple types of stringed instruments and need a versatile, portable solution, this stand is a fantastic option. What people say. It's a good stand for the price. This stand is very sturdy and holds my bass guitar securely. Easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. Number 2. SNIGJAT wood guitar stand. Experience the warm, natural feel of solid zinc wood. This stand offers a stylish and minimalist way to display your instrument, blending seamlessly with your home decor. Its adjustable cradle arms easily accommodate a wide range of instruments, from acoustic and electric guitars to cellos, ukuleles, and more. It's truly a versatile stand for any musician. Built with a secure hinge lock and non-slip rubber feet, it stays firmly in place on any surface. You can trust it to keep your instrument safe and upright. Soft, padded foam covers all contact points, protecting your instrument's finish from scratches and scuffs. It's designed to be gentle yet reliable. Assemble it in minutes with the included screwdriver, and fold it flat for easy storage and transport. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for both home and travel. This stand makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any guitar lover or musician. It's ideal for displaying instruments at home, on stage, or during performances. What we like. Crafted from solid zinc wood, this stand offers a unique aesthetic and a premium feel, setting it apart from metal alternatives. Its adjustable cradle arms ensure compatibility with a wide array of instruments. If you value both form and function, and want a stand that doubles as a piece of furniture to display your instrument, this wooden stand is an excellent selection. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds my bass guitar securely. It's easy to assemble and adjust to different guitar sizes. The design is compact and doesn't take up much space. Number 1. CAHAYA CY0251 Folding A-Frame Guitar Stand. Introducing a revolutionary guitar stand designed for ultimate portability. Its unique folding mechanism means no lost parts, making storage and transport incredibly simple. Whether you're heading to a concert, festival, or party, this stand is your ideal companion. It's built for all-purpose performances, ensuring your instrument is always ready. Experience superior stability with its classic A-frame design. You can rest assured your guitar is safe and won't tip over, even on uneven surfaces. Crafted from thick steel with reinforced welds, this stand is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can handle frequent use and moving without issue. Your instrument's safety is paramount. Soft padding on the arms and a supportive backrest protect against scratches, while non-slip feet keep it firmly in place. This versatile stand features adjustable width and a stepped cradle, accommodating a wide range of instruments. From acoustic guitars to banjos and ukuleles, it holds them all securely. What we like. Built with a thick steel body and reinforced welds, this stand boasts exceptional sturdiness and durability. A unique feature is its foldable upper part, which further enhances portability and storage. If you need a robust, long-lasting stand that can withstand frequent use and travel, this reinforced metal option is a solid bet. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and holds my bass guitar securely. It's easy to assemble and folds flat for storage. The design is sleek and doesn't take up much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.